What's up, y'all? Check it out. Got a challenge for you. Find me one person, just one, whoever you think is successful, that got where they're at without working hard. It's work hard season. Good morning, y'all. It's your boy Jay with a quick word for you. The Bible says I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. So what's that mean? It means it's time to get it. Let's go. It's work hard season. What up, y'all? It's the Nappy Boy with another quick word for you right fast. Man, don't let this discourage you. We got to learn how to listen and discern. Sometimes folks will tell us that we can't, when what they really mean is that they haven't been able to. It's work hard season. What up, what up? Nappy Boy here with the word for somebody. The biggest risk you'll ever take is believing in yourself. Once you do that, everything else falls into place. It's work hard season. Let's go. Good morning, y'all. It's Nappy Boy with another quick word for somebody. Hey, check it out. We expect more out of professional athletes than we do ourselves. Man, we got to change our way of thinking. I don't care what they do. I'm going to be great. It's work hard season. Let's go. They said, Jay, what's work hard season? Man, it's simple. Whenever you're done thinking, dreaming, hoping, and wishing for things to happen, and you take advantage of situations and you make opportunities happen when you invest in yourself, that's work hard season. Let's go. Hey, check it out. I'm not trying to be better than you. I'm trying to be better than me. Better than I was yesterday. Better than I was this morning. I'm constantly trying to improve. It's work hard season. Let's go. Man, it's not enough to have a dream and a vision. It's not enough to have a good idea. It's not enough to have plans and visions and leave it at that. It's not enough anymore. If you want it, you have to go get it. If you want it, you gotta make things happen. You can believe in chance and luck all you want to, but at the end of the day, if you look at whoever you want to call successful, look at them, and if you can't, ask them. Anybody you find successful, ask them. Did you just sit there and dream and wish and hope? Was that enough? And see what they tell you, because it's not enough, man. We have to be willing to get dirty. We have to be willing to work 24/7, to grind, to hustle, to make things happen. It's work hard season. You ready to go? Let's get it.